Hello and greetings from Michigan Masonic Home. I'm Mike Logan, CEO. Thank you for the opportunity to provide all Masonic stakeholders with an opportunity to provide you an update on our response plan to the COVID-19 virus. We know that you may be concerned about the spread of the 2019 coronavirus and how it may impact us here at Masonic Pathways, Warwick Living Center, Pace Central Michigan, and the greater Masonic fraternity. Ensuring residents and staff are cared for in a safe and healthy environment is our greatest concern. At this time, we do not have any cases of COVID-19 in our communities. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention have recommended a variety of steps that we are implementing to help reduce the potential for the virus to enter our community. Historically, we often experience a few cases of the influenza during this time of flu season. As a result, we do have a few minor resident cases of influenza A in our community. Our team has responded appropriately and implemented all necessary prevention and mitigation steps. What has happened since last week? Things are just changing daily. We continue to work with our vendors, federal and state authorities, as well as public health department on ensuring we have the most up-to-date information in regards to the COVID-19 virus. This week, we instituted daily temperatures and health screening checks for all employees entering our communities. All employees are screened for the signs and symptoms of the COVID-19 virus, as well as having their daily temperature taken in order to mitigate the exposure of employees who may be exhibiting the signs and symptoms of COVID-19. We also restricted all large group activities and large group dining services for residents. However, we are being intentional with how best to manage those groups of residents who need assistance with activities of daily living through a group setting. As a result, we're being very creative with how best to manage both our activities and dining services. Sadly, we made the hard decision to keep our therapy pups out of our communities. We sure do miss River, Rain, Shelby, and George. They are with their foster families for this time period. We plan on bringing our famous Masonic therapy pups back home once the COVID-19 virus ceases. We miss our pups and their unconditional love they provide to our residents and staff on a daily basis. Most importantly, we instituted a community-wide training on proper hand hygiene. It is vital that all employees wash in and wash out prior to entering and exiting work and resident rooms. We also must continue to keep a safe social distance when engaging in communication with each other. Two words come to mind during this very difficult time: gratitude and loyalty. I am so grateful for the hundreds of staff who make their choice every day to enter our community and serve our residents. Their overall compassion, servant heart, and tireless efforts are greatly appreciated. I am so grateful for everyone. Thank you so much for your continued dedication. I also want to thank the leadership of our physicians and local hospital, Mid-Michigan Health Gratiot Hospital. I'm also grateful for the opportunity to see our staff shine and step up to the plate during this challenging time. Our staff are doing whatever it takes to ensure the safety and security of our community. I have personally witnessed many staff offering to help and provide support during this challenging time. Their loyalty for our organization is greatly appreciated. Healthcare workers are a special breed. We do not run away from a crisis. We do not go home. We do not close down. We stay open and lead the charge in responding to the crisis. We understand our job is more than the paycheck. We put our call to serve in front of others and our family. This causes stress and anxiety on the healthcare worker. Support our healthcare workers through words of encouragement, special assistance, and prayer. How can you help us during this time? I want to encourage you to make a donation to the Michigan Masonic Charitable Foundation. Please go online to our brand new website, www.michiganmasons.org, and click on the foundation link. You can make a donation online, through the mail, or by the telephone. At the Michigan Masonic Charitable Foundation, we believe that every person can make a difference and affect positive impacts on the lives of others. Gifts to the foundation ensures that the assistance and relief for our Masonic families, as well as the support we give to build and strengthen our communities and staff, are accessible. Thank you for your continued support. Thank you for your dedication to our Masonic family. Please keep our brothers and sisters in your thoughts and prayers and hearts during this challenging time. Through your support and financial donation, we will succeed in managing through the crisis. Let's keep moving the mission forward, together in service.